Hey everyone, welcome to my channel GK Health Passport. Who hasn't dreamed of living in Finland? Think beautiful northern lights, peaceful forests, and super clean streets. Finland isn't just pretty, it's one of the best places in the world to live. And guess what? They're looking for people just like you. Finland is offering an amazing chance to work as a caregiver. We're talking free help with your visa, good pay, and the best part? You can bring your family. We'll look at the best care homes and hospitals that need caregivers from other countries, talk about how much you can earn, and show you how to apply. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what your future in Finland could look like. So grab your coffee, tea, or whatever you like to drink, and let's get started. Attendo is a cornerstone in Finnish caregiving, providing essential services nationwide. Whether in a bustling city or a quiet village, Attendo ensures quality care is accessible to all. Attendo is the biggest caregiver company in Finland, with a network spanning the entire country. Their facilities serve communities far and wide, ensuring no one is left without care. They help older people, those recovering from illness, and those needing mental health support. Attendo's services cover a wide range of needs with professionalism and compassion. Attendo has many care homes offering numerous job opportunities. These homes are communities where caregivers and residents build meaningful relationships. Attendo pays between 35,000 and 40,000 euros a year, reflecting the importance of your work and ensuring fair compensation. 35,000 euros is enough to live well in Finland. The balanced cost of living allows for a comfortable lifestyle with room for leisure and enjoyment. You can enjoy Finnish pastries and still have money left to explore. Finland offers delicious food, natural beauty, and cultural experiences. Attendo helps you move, find a place to live, and learn Finnish, making your transition smooth and comfortable. At Attendo, you'll help people every day, making a profound impact on their lives. Visit attendo.fi to learn more about the company and explore career opportunities. They have a section for international applicants with job listings and application details. Attendo is always growing, seeking kind and caring people like you. Start your new life in Finland and visit attendo.fi today. Next, let's look at Esperi Care, another big caregiver company in Finland. Founded with a mission to provide top-notch care services, Esperi Care has grown to become a significant player in the healthcare sector. They are known for their commitment to quality and their innovative approach to caregiving. Esperi Care focuses on the big cities like Helsinki and Tampere. These cities are not just the economic hubs of Finland, but also cultural and social centers, offering a vibrant lifestyle. Whether you enjoy the bustling city life or the serene beauty of urban parks, these cities have something for everyone. If you like a busy city but also want a good work-life balance, Esperi Care might be perfect for you. The company understands the importance of balancing professional responsibilities with personal well-being. They offer flexible working hours and various programs to ensure their employees can enjoy their time both at work and at home. They mostly help older people in nursing homes and at their own homes. Esperi Care provides a range of services, from daily assistance to specialized medical care, ensuring that the elderly receive the support they need to live comfortably and with dignity. At Esperi Care, you can earn between 32,000 and 38,000 euros a year. This competitive salary reflects the value the company places on its employees and their hard work. Additionally, there are opportunities for career advancement and professional development. That's enough for a good life in Finland. With this income, you can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle, whether it's dining out at fine restaurants, exploring the beautiful Finnish countryside, or simply enjoying the comforts of a well-furnished home. Esperi Care is about more than just money. They want you to have a good life outside of work, with reasonable hours and lots of vacation time. The company offers generous vacation policies, allowing you to take time off to recharge and spend quality time with your loved ones. Ready to try it out? Go to esperi.fi. The website is user-friendly and provides all the information you need to apply for a job. You can browse through various job openings, learn more about the company culture, and even read testimonials from current employees. Their website is easy to use, with a special section for people from other countries. This section provides detailed information on how to apply, visa requirements, and relocation assistance, making it easier for international applicants to join the Esperi Care family. Don't miss this chance to live in a cool Finnish city and have a great job. Finland is known for its high quality of life, excellent public services, and beautiful natural landscapes. Working with Esprit Care gives you the opportunity to experience all of this while making a meaningful impact in the lives of others. Check out Esprit Care today, and you might find your dream job. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting your career, Esprit Care offers a supportive and dynamic environment where you can grow and thrive. Now for Mehalainen, your high-quality caregiving adventure in Helsinki. Imagine working in a city known for its stunning architecture, vibrant culture, and high standard of living. Helsinki is not just a place to work, it's a place to thrive. Mehalainen is one of Finland's best private healthcare companies. They have a stellar reputation for providing top-notch care and support to their clients. Their facilities are state-of-the-art, and they are always looking to improve and innovate. They're mostly in Helsinki, but they also have offices in other big cities. This means you have the flexibility to choose where you want to work. They want caregivers from other countries. This is a fantastic opportunity to bring your unique skills and perspectives to a new environment. At Mehalainen, you can earn between 34,000 and 40,000 euros a year. This competitive salary ensures that you are well compensated for your hard work and dedication. Mehalainen is known for being a great place to work. The company culture is supportive and collaborative, making it easy to build strong professional relationships. They have helpful coworkers, chances to learn new things, and a good work-life balance. Continuous learning is encouraged, and there are plenty of opportunities for professional development. If you're ready to take your career to the next level, go to mehalainen.fi and see what jobs they have. The application process is straightforward, and the website is user-friendly. This is your chance to be part of something really special. Join Mehalainen and embark on a rewarding career in one of the most beautiful and progressive countries in the world. Your high-end caregiving adventure in Helsinki awaits.
Let's talk about Pihlajalinna, another important healthcare company in Finland. They really care about each and every person they help. They want to get to know their patients and give them the best care possible. If you love helping people and making a difference, Pihlajalinna might be perfect for you. Pihlajalinna is all over Finland. Whether you like big cities like Helsinki, small towns, or even the countryside, Pihlajalinna probably has a job for you. You can earn between 33,000 and 37,000 euros a year. Pihlajalinna wants its caregivers to be happy and fulfilled. They offer good benefits, chances to learn new things, and a good work-life balance. Go to their website, pihlajalinna.fi, and see what jobs they have in Finland. This is your chance to really help people in need.
Get ready for HUS Helsinki University Hospital, the biggest hospital in Finland. This is the best healthcare in Finland. If you want to work with the best doctors and nurses, learn new things, and help people, then HUS Helsinki University Hospital is for you. The pay is really good, between 36,000 and 42,000 euros a year. Working at HUS Helsinki University Hospital is about more than just money. It's about being part of something important and helping lots of people. They have the newest equipment and the best doctors in the world. HUS Helsinki University Hospital wants the best caregivers. If you think you're one of the best, go to their website, hus.fi, and see what jobs they have. This is your chance to do something amazing, help people, and live a great life in Finland. Don't miss this chance. There you go. 5 amazing ways to start your dream job as a caregiver in beautiful Finland. Remember, these companies will help you get a visa, so you can move to Finland without spending too much money. This is your chance to help people, earn good money, and have a great work-life balance. Don't miss out. Look in the description below for links to each company's website. See what jobs they have, learn about their company, and apply today. Your dream job in Finland might be just one click away. If you liked this video, click the like button, subscribe to my channel for more international job opportunities, and share this video with anyone who wants to live in Finland. Good luck with your applications, and I can't wait to hear about your success. See you next time.